Utsav and Gatik are playing football. Now tell me, which sentence is it? Utsav and Gatik are playing football together. Which sentence?
Complex.
Now, why did you say this is complex?
No, sir.
Because there is and between Gatik and
ये
Utsav.
किसने सिखाया था तुम्हें? किसने सिखाया था? खुद या
School
फिर
teacher.
कोई तो होगा तुम्हारे पीछे, कोई तो हाथ होगा तुम्हारे पीछे जो
Sir, you
तुम्हें.
can see anywhere. It's not.
Okay. So Gatik, tell me, Gatik and Utsav they are playing football together. तो ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है? सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स या फिर कंपाउंड?
Sir, it's assertive.
ये assertive sentence it's okay, but sentence there are three kinds of sentence according to the structure. पहले जो सीखा ना assertive, interrogative, वो according to the meaning. ठीक है? और according to structure a sentence can be of three types: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. तो ये बोलो कि ये simple sentence है या complex या compound?
Chara.
Gatik and Utsav are playing football
Compound.
together. Compound. Why did you say? तुम्हारे इसके पीछे भी तुम्हारा कोई हाथ होगा.
Sir, it's not.
Who taught you that if you find and but then it is compound sentence? किसी ने तो बोला होगा.
Sir, किसी ने नहीं बोला.
तो how did you learn it?
School वाली teacher. School teachers.
School teacher बोला था. and but रहने से वो compound होता है. This is not compound sentence. This is simple sentence. अब पूछो क्यों? सर ने तो बोला था यहाँ पे but या and रहने से compound होता है.
Sir, now only you have said that. Yeah.
You have to update whatever you know. जो ऑलरेडी सीखा है उसको थोड़ा अपडेट मारने के लिए मैं आ गया.
Sir, may are you listening what I am saying?
Yes, I am listening to each and every word you are saying.
Yes. Oh,
Okay, now can I prove this is a simple sentence?
yes.
Now, watch carefully. I am sharing one page.
Yes, sir.
The sentence was Gatik and Utsav are playing football together. है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's ask this question to ChatGPT. Can you see? Can you see ChatGPT now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm writing this question. Gatik and Utsav are playing football. Okay. तो स्कूल में जो भी सिखाएगा उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा मैं सिखा दूंगा.
Okay.
Then only you can find out the mistakes if the teachers make any mistake or if the teachers explain something wrong. Then you can help and identify the mistake. Yes, and you will be the winner and everybody will look at you. Everybody will look at you. Oh my God. Small.
How he know?
Yes, how he knows. Our junior Einstein. Okay. Junior Einstein Gatik and Junior Einstein Utsav. So, do you want to be an exceptional student in your classroom?
Yes, I want.
Sir.
Okay. So, you have to listen to my advice and you have to practice according to my instructions. जो मैं सिखाऊंगा, जो मैं दूंगा, वो अच्छी तरह से, ध्यान से, मन से, you have to learn it by heart.
Yes.
Then very soon your school teacher, your school English teacher won't be able to teach you English anymore. That day, that day,
Teacher will say that please be study with me.
okay. here in Siliguri, West Bengal, there are so many teachers in school who cannot teach my students. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Because of these things. Because I taught them from the very root level.
Yes, sir. My teacher only don't like my pronunciation.
Oh. Now you will train them. What is the right pronunciation? Okay, so Gatik, it was nice conversation with you, and in upcoming classes I'm going to teach you those things which your teachers also don't know.
Sir.
Bye bye then, take care, see you tomorrow again.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.